Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. I am so excited to be participating in another Kendra's Card Challenge 15 collaboration hop. I want to give a huge thank you to our super sponsor, Crafty Stamp Company, formerly Copictopia, for making this hop possible. So what this hop is all about is we're going to be showcasing some of the Crafty Stamp Company's Halloween release, and I am going to be using one of the sketches from Kendra's Card Challenge 15. You're looking for some card making inspiration, you have definitely come to the right place. Throughout this hop, you'll see a variety of talented card makers using Crafty Stamp Company's Halloween release products to create some fabulous cards using one of the sketches. Anyway, you'll want to be sure to follow the entire hop, and the playlist is linked down in the description below, including all of the information about a fabulous giveaway. So be sure to enter that. And to add to the fun, Kendra is encouraging everyone to play along with this challenge. Create your own cards based on Kendra's Card Challenge 15 and post it over in the Kendra's Card Challenge Facebook group for more chances to win. You can download the sketch PDF files directly from the Kendra's Card Challenge website, and that's also linked down below. So the paper pack that I'm using, I do not know what it's called. I only had a couple of sheets left of a couple of different patterns that I thought would be perfect for this. And you know how it is. You have a paper pack, and usually the ones that you like the most are the ones that are left over. Yeah. So anyway, what I did on this one is I used 2 pieces of pattern paper like I'm supposed to, but instead of doing all of the cuts that the sketch calls for and all the cuts from the file, I chose to instead just use 2 strips from each one and cut those in half because I wanted parts from the top and parts from the bottom on each of those to show on my card. So I just cut it down at the 3-inch mark, and I'm overlapping the bit in the middle. This little pumpkin is actually the one from the stamp set that I'm going to be playing with today. Again, all of the links are going to be down below. I went ahead and colored up both of our coffee mugs. I think those are just simply adorable. They're going to look perfect on this. So I am basically right now gluing all the things down, and I accidentally put the wrong part at the bottom. I wanted the grunge part that's actually part of the pattern paper to be on the corners. You could also do this with some ink like I did that matting layer, but yeah, anyhow, I'm going ahead and layering all of those pieces on as my base, as my background, and then I'll be doing the rest of the sketch. The orange cardstock that I'm using as my matting layer and as the centerpiece for my belly band is not quite the right color of orange, so I'm just using Weeping Willow ink and just grunging it up a little bit. The centerpiece here is only about a 1/4 inch wide, so it didn't take a lot of ink, and I'm putting that onto a black belly band that's going to go right across to the center and covering up the seam of my card panel. The next part of the sketch calls for a circle with a matting layer, and I chose not to use those because my images are just the right size instead. So yeah, that's what I'm going to use instead, but you know what? I don't know which one I want to put on this panel. I'm going to go ahead and mount it down to a card base, and then I'm going to set up my second one so then I can decide which coffee mug to put on which card. Now that that panel is done for the second card, I can decide which of my little coffee mugs need to go on which one. I'm basically choosing according to how much contrast there is. The white one shows up much better on the darker background. So that is the one I'm going to put on there. I'm going to put a Jack Skellington on that one and then my little pumpkin on the other. I'm going to go ahead and pop both of these up on foam because you guys know how much I love foam, and that's going to be about it except for the sentiment. Now you could use action wobblers for these. That would be super cute too. But I did that on my last my last Halloween card with one of these sketches. So I decided I'm just going to go with foam this time. There are a bunch of fun Halloween coffee related sentiments in this stamp set. One of them is Nightmare Before Coffee, and that's the one I'm going to use with Jack Skellington. For the pumpkin, I decided, no, I'm not going to use Staying Alive. I'm going to use this one that says Fueled by Spooky Vibes and Coffee, and we're going to pop both of those back up on foam just like we did our main characters. So that's going to finish up these cards using Kendra's card challenge 15, sketch number 10, and the cute and creepy caffeine stamp set from Crafty Stamp Company. Be sure to check out the rest of the hops for more inspiration, and I really hope you like my cards because I absolutely love them. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful day. Check out the playlist and all of the links down below, including that giveaway, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys!